In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an effective eBay listing in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to selling online or simply looking to polish your eBay skills, this guide will walk you through the essentials to ensure your item catches the eye of potential buyers. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to eBay's homepage. You can do this by typing ebay.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once there, if you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials and make sure you're logged into your seller's account to ensure that you're all set to start creating your listing. Now direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see the Sell button. Clicking this will guide you to the selling interface where you'll begin your listing process. It's important at this point to select the most appropriate category for the item you're selling. This increases your visibility and ensures your listing lands in front of those searching for similar items. Categories are like the sections of a store. They help buyers find what they want quickly. Next, one of the most crucial elements of any eBay listing is visuals. These are often the first thing potential buyers notice. So it's imperative to include clear, high-resolution images of your item. If applicable, adding a video can also enhance the listing by showcasing your item in action or providing a better sense of scale and detail. Good visuals help set accurate expectations and reduce the likelihood of returns. After capturing attention with images, provide detailed item specifics. Here, you should include key details like brand, type, materials, and the country or region of manufacture. Think of this as your chance to anticipate any questions a buyer might have. A thorough, honest description aids in building trust and confidence with potential buyers. Remember to specify the condition of your item accurately. Describe whether it's new, used, refurbished, etc. Offering precise details here will manage buyer expectations and enhance your credibility as a seller. Now, it's time to decide on the listing style. You must choose between an auction-style listing and a fixed-price listing. Factor in how quickly you want to sell and set a competitive price. Research similar items to gauge current market conditions. A well-priced item can make all the difference in attracting potential buyers quickly. Once your pricing is determined, specify the shipping options. Include costs and delivery timeframes. Be transparent about this, as it's a frequent consideration for many online shoppers. Offering competitive shipping options can be a selling point in itself. Finally, before hitting that Publish button, take a moment to carefully review your listing. Ensure all details are accurate and the visuals are correct. Once satisfied, go ahead and publish your listing. And there you have it. A simple yet thorough approach to listing on eBay in just 5 minutes. Following these steps will put you on the right path to successfully selling your items to eager buyers. Happy selling!